Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The KHASI Students' Union, along with various pressure groups like the FKJGP, the SENG, SAMLA, HIMA, LANGRIN, and the family of late SPELITY, LYNGDOH, LANGRIN, had observed her first death anniversary at DOMIASIAT village in southwest KHASI Hills on the 28th of October. Earlier during the day, wreaths were placed as floral tribute, while a dedication of the tombstone of late SPELITY LANGRIN had also taken place. During his address to the gathering, KSU member Forward Man Nongrem announced that each year, 28th of October would be observed by the KSU Southwest KHASI Hills District as Anti-Uranium Day to remember late M&ch SPELITY LANGRIN and also to awaken and remind the youth that wealth cannot buy freedom, just as she too did not fall trap to bribery in exchange for her freedom, even though she had been suffering for 30 years under pressure from various angles while opposing the mining of uranium at DOMIASIAT.
But ngam ka jiar tatin by me abai scam makanongrem namta kani kabanta panpercha uranium ngangai kata kasna me ka tuit happy gum ki kun kikseu but kumba kala penrem kumba kala aiman sim kumba kala long udingdu usamdu namta jungi gum KSU habangi kun panpercha namta marpo kendo uranium te ngangai ngin sanai kendu nakapor sakapor but nakasangi kumbal ong bene nginang yairaki kanesi kum kastakasi berpersya ya uranium ne berpersya kajingti yu marpo kendo uranium nakam tapan kersiu ban ai ka kubur ka sorkar nakasnam sakasnam bak KSU hi kanne akani kanongrem kumbang le lang kumbang ila ya suthu lang bat kumbang la don kawai ke jingmot lembat ime SPELITY LYNGDOH LANGRIN ibang ila bansim bai de ikimi ha kani ke jinga ki ke jungi na kamta kadau ba jongkari ke cat beru hi berkowai